Hi friends, welcome to Go Veg Kitchen. Today let's see how to prepare our all-time favorite chaat Chatpata Bhel Puri. Let's see the ingredients for our Chatpata Bhel. I've taken 1 cup of grated carrot, a few coriander leaves, 2 chakli, 2 nippat, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of kara powder or chilli powder, 1 small cup of sev, 1 big bowl of puffed rice, 1 diced onion, 1 diced tomato, sweet chutney and kara chutney. Let's see the ingredients to prepare sweet chutney and kara chutney. First, let's see the ingredients for our green chutney. I have taken 3 to 4 green chilli, 1 small cup of mint leaves, few coriander leaves, crystal salt as per your taste. Now let's add all the ingredients to the mixture jar. First, I am taking chopped green chilli, next pudina leaves, next I am adding coriander leaves, then crystal salt, finally I am adding a small cup of water which will be helpful for grinding. Now let's grind all the ingredients. Now let's see the ingredients for our sweet chutney. I have taken 2 to 3 teaspoons of tamarind juice, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, a small cup of jaggery powder, a small cup of water. Let's mix all the ingredients. For getting a thick mixture, let's heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now our green chutney and sweet chutney is ready. Now let's start preparing our Chatpata Bhel. First I am adding grated carrot, then onion, 1 diced tomato, crushed chakli, crushed nippat, two to 3 teaspoons of sweet chutney, two teaspoon of kara chutney, one teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 small spoon of kara powder. As I have taken saltless puffed rice, I am adding little bit of salt. You can add it as per your taste. Now let's add our puffed rice. Now let's mix all the contents. Now our delicious Chatpata Bhel is ready. I am transferring it to a serving bowl. Now let's garnish it with carrot, onion, tomato, coriander and some sev. Now our delicious Chatpata Bhel is ready. If you like our video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.